these Peugeots. Unreal. Oh, very rare Peugeots. Very nice. Let's go on.
It's a paar mooi 14
Reynolds. Lovely. Oh, Reynolds. Let's do a Reynolds section. After. Oh. So guys, retrocardogs here. This show is so big. We don't even know how we're going to get around all the cars and show you all the cars on display today. It's absolutely insane the amount of vehicles. I'm trying to capture for you. The depth is absolutely unreal. Here we guys, we look at some Reynolds here. I mean, this is really nice, lovely. I think this is the GTS. I'm not quite a favorite. I mean, little Reynolds 4s. That's a more modern Reynolds there, but really nice. Going around, because you look at this. Reynolds 8s, Dauphines. Another one. Sure.
Oh, okay. You might like the cars on that side. For the white one, I see.
More modern. 1100 TS, the 1.7 litre. Retrocardogs. There's more at the back. Classiccars, guys. Classiccars. Going in over here. Rotors.
So much was nice, but
idea what that is. It is a Dodge. There we are. Okay. It is a Dodge. There we go. Nah, I'm done. Notice the nose difference. This is an RS 2000. Real needs love and attention. A genuine little Ford. Gotta love it, guys. And it's a GL automatic. Okay, moving on. There's another one. Dog bone, I think they call these. This is a very nice little one. Oh, this is a 1600 XL. Ah, little station wagon. I walked right past it. Another little RS.
Daai vingers staan so. As jy die klitsplaat vastrek net, staan daai vingers so. Ja. Hulle staat remote. Ja, Facebook. Reisies op die Facebook is nou nie die beste nie. Ja.
Might we give them stickers? Sure, guys, there's a whole bunch of little Fords here. Really nice. BMs. Really Land Rovers, guys. These are pristine. These particular, for the guys who are Land Rover fans, I also like them. I think they're really nice. These have been done so well. These are really done lovely. Very nice vehicles. These are mint restorations. Sure, guys, back onto the track. Let's those Rovers. These very nice. You see the differences. Unusual, and the color. It's obviously a touring vehicle, so I'm not going to go inside. It's not my vehicle. Just have some manners. Obviously for touring, that's quite cool. I wouldn't mind going away in this, but it's a Land Rover. It'll probably break down. Land Rover guys will get upset with me for saying that now. Yeah, big vehicle. And all the Range Rovers over there and more Land Rovers. Hey, let's move on. Unreal. Guys, I don't even know how to explain. I think I've said this 50 times already. The depth of vehicles that are here today and the vibe and the atmosphere. It's just really, really nice to see. And so there's thousands upon thousands of people. If I try and get an idea of the show, it's absolutely huge.